Pull up next to the car you wish to park behind. Keep about half a meter away from the driver's side. Then, select reverse gear. Slowly start to reverse backwards until the back of the other car is level with the center of the rear passenger side window. Once level, stop reversing. Then turn the steering wheel to the left, one complete turn. Slowly reverse backwards, keeping the steering wheel still. When the passenger door handle appears above the curb in the left wing mirror, stop the car. Turn the steering wheel to the right until the left orange line is close to the curb on the display. Continue to reverse the car until the blue box is parallel to the curb or the car is straight. Make sure the orange line stays close to the curb. Once the blue box is parallel to the curb, then steer to the left until both orange lines on the display are straight.